Today, we will present our research analysis about two researchers in human development, Jean Piaget and Lev Vygotsky.
In this presentation, we analyze the studies of Piaget and Vygotsky. We discuss their titles, gaps, objectives, methods, findings, and conclusion. We also compare their ideas, share insights, and give recommendation for education.
Human development is influenced by many factors such as growth, environment, and learning experiences.
Piaget focused on cognitive stages, while Vygotsky focused on social and cultural influences.
Their studies have strengths, but they also have gaps, which we will discuss.
The objective of this activity is to analyze and compare the work of Piaget and Vygotsky.
We examine their objectives, methodologies, findings, conclusions, insights, and recommendations.
These help us understand their contribution to human development and education. Jean Piaget, Theory of Cognitive Development.
Lev Vygotsky, Socio-cultural Theory of Development.
Piaget's gaps include limited focus on culture and the environment and stages that may not fit all children.
Vygotsky's gaps include unclear developmental stages and limited attention to biological factors.
Piaget aimed to understand how children think and how their thinking changes as they grow.
Vygotsky aimed to explain how culture, language, and social interaction shape learning.
Piaget used observation, interviews, and problem-solving tasks.
Vygotsky used observations in learning environments, social interaction activities, and language-based tasks.
Piaget found that children go through 4 stages of development and learn through hands-on experience.
Vygotsky found that learnings happen through social interaction and language. He also introduced the zone of proximal development, or ZPD.
Piaget concluded that cognitive development happens through fixed stages as children mature.
Vygotsky concluded that learning is influenced by cultural, language, and social support. Piaget and Vygotsky both believe that children are active learners.
Piaget focuses on internal thinking, while Vygotsky focuses on social influence.
Piaget said that development happens first before learning.
Vygotsky said that learning can lead development.
Their ideas are still used today in teaching and child development.
We recommend the teacher combine both theories in the classroom.
Hands-on activities follow Piaget's ideas.
Group work, peer support, and guided practice follow Vygotsky's ideas.
Using both approaches helps students develop better skills and understanding. These are our references. This ends our research presentation,
And thank you for listening.